Welcome everyone. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the Mavic Mini turning 1 year old. Hey guys, if any of you are new here to my channel, my name is Farhan, aka Drone Fate, and I make a lot of cinematic footages. I do reviews, comparisons, and tests. If you're into any of that kind of stuff, I invite you to check out my channel. And if you enjoy the videos, hit the subscribe button to be part of my journey and the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. Since many of you already know, its features 2.7K camera, up to 30 frames per second recording, 1080p, up to 60 frames per second recording. This tiny drone really packs a punch, and I'm gonna get into that. As most of you know, the Mavic Mini weighs 249 grams, just 1 gram below the 250 gram limit. So in many places of the world where there's restrictions on flying drones, they usually start at 250 grams and go up. In places like Canada, 249 grams is an important number. You don't need to register or get a pilot certificate if you're flying the Mavic Mini, but of course you have to abide by the rest of the laws. For example, not flying above 400 feet. This drone really has what it takes to get cinematic footages. Take a look. Also guys, if you like and want to get any of the gear that I'm using in my video, that includes Mavic Mini itself, the hard case, the propeller guards, ND filters, I'll make sure to leave the links down in the description below. To me, the most important part of this drone is its weight, but it also comes with certain disadvantages. Many people have been complaining about it not having 4K. Many complain that its sensor is too small, but obviously there's going to be certain disadvantages for a drone that costs only $399 and for a drone that's also this light. Now, many people have been also wondering if this drone is able to get those cinematic looking footages. I've seen a lot of videos out there where cinematic footages looked so good taken with this drone, and that's because those people have made the best with what they have. You also get 30 minutes flight time. Well, I'd say on average I would get about 25, 26 maybe, but that also depends on the wind conditions, how fast you're flying it. I've had the best time with this drone. It has gotten me such amazing footage. I also use the quick shots a lot to get some really cinematic looking footage, especially the drone and the helix. It just gives you a really nice view. Also, it's so compact and light. It's very easy for when you're traveling. I carry only what's important: the drone, ND filters, batteries, controller. That's it. I wanted to talk a little bit about how I've been able to get good cinematic looking footage from this drone. Now, at first when it was released, there weren't any manual settings that you could choose from. But after an update later on, DJI introduced manual white balance and also the control of your ISO and your shutter speed. So with the use of ND filters, you can now bring your shutter speed down using the 180-degree rule, where if you're supposed filming at 25 frames per second, you want to get your shutter speed at 1/50th of a second to get the smooth looking footage. Many like me also complain about its range. When you're in a residential area or somewhere urban, your range sucks. I have the FCC version, which gives 4 kilometers of range. So when I'm filming, when I'm shooting footage, I see something that I like, so I just want to fly more and get more of it, but then the glitches start to come and it loses connection and it just ruins everything. I'm sure many of you have experienced that too. But with the use of range extenders, you can have an easy fix to that as well. And if you're interested, I put the links down in the description below, so make sure you check them out. And I've used the range extenders. It has worked. Another drawback is that it cannot withstand high gusts, and that's obvious because it's only a 249 gram drone. With the battery inside, it's 249, which is really light, and strong winds can just push it away. But still, it has managed to keep the footage so stable in really windy conditions. And there's a lot of videos out there that you can search and watch. This drone has really impressed even in those windy conditions. Not that I'm saying you should go and film in windy conditions, but this can really fight strong winds. Especially if you're in sport mode, you have really good stability. And I've tested it out a few times, and I didn't really enjoy doing that because I was afraid I'm gonna lose the drone, but I did it nonetheless. For many, this is the most recommended first drone or a beginner drone because it's light, not as expensive as the other DJI drones. It makes a perfect beginner drone. It's easy for you to learn with, and if you get the fly more combo, you get those propeller guards. Another thing to keep in mind is that obviously this drone only has sensors at the bottom and not at the front, back, or the sides. So you have to be very careful of your surroundings when you're flying this drone. I've come a long way flying this drone, trying it out in different situations, in different places, and it really grew on me. I'm still really impressed with this drone, and it has gotten me some amazing footage. So with photos, what I do is I manually adjust the shutter speeds. So I underexpose it, and then I properly expose it, and then I overexpose it. And then what I do with these 3 pictures is I merge them in HDR in Lightroom. Also, if you guys are interested in seeing the difference that ND filters make, I'll be sure to link that somewhere around here and link it down in the description below. So make sure you check that out. Okay guys, that's it for this video. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button as it helps this channel and this video out. And also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon to be notified every time I upload a new video. Until next time.